Well, now that CCISD has announced its plans to return students to the classroom, some local doctors are weighing in with their opinions. Our Ashley Portillo spoke with this area's top infectious disease physician for children.
A doctor who works here at Driscoll Children's Hospital tells me he's in favor of children returning to the classroom. Not only is it important for their education, but he says kids are not the ones responsible for spreading this virus.
I want to give a message of reassurance to the parents in relation to the health of the children.
And that message of reassurance from infectious disease doctor, Dr. JAIME FERGIE, is that the transmission of the virus from child to child is not of great concern.
The children are not the ones responsible for spreading this illness. Although they do get sick and they get COVID-19, they almost never get very sick.
In fact, Dr. Fergie said Driscoll Children's Hospital treats about 2 to 3 children a day who've tested positive for the virus. But those numbers at local hospitals treating adults look much different.
Look at the other hospitals in the community, adult hospital full of patients, intensive care, very severe situation.
Dr. Fergie also mentioned in the beginning of the pandemic, Driscoll Children's Hospital had a whole floor dedicated to treating coronavirus patients. That floor has since returned to normal operations because there's no need for it. Meanwhile, he said his biggest concern is for teachers spreading that virus to one another.
I think the teachers, of course, need to be careful actually between themselves. That's my main concern, the adult to adult transmission or the adult to child transmission.
Nonetheless, some parents are still a little bit worried about sending their kiddos back to school.
Because there's going to be other people, and I don't know if they're going to be practicing social distancing.
ANISSA Grant says she's now considering homeschooling her 4-year-old for the upcoming school year.
It concerns me a little bit, but I'm not too scared, but she's not going to be going back anytime soon.
And for all the parents out there, Dr. Fergie did mention that distance learning could be a better option if your child has any underlying medical conditions. Reporting from Driscoll Children's Hospital, I'm Ashley Portillo, Chris 6 News.